In this video, you will learn step by step how you can purchase ETFs on Vanguard. Now, the first thing we need to do is log in to our Vanguard account. Once we have logged in and we are on a page that looks like this, you need to go to the left-hand sidebar here, go down, click on Invest Now. And then once we select Invest Now, you can select Next Available Price or Live Price, which is ETFs only. Click on one of these. Now from here, as you can see, this is your basket. Now you want to go to add more investments, click on the plus icon, go down to equity funds, for example, and then if we scroll down all the way down to USA, and we will purchase the S&P 500 ETF, for example, here. As you can see, we've got the S&P 500 VUAG. Now you want to enter in the amount that you want to purchase. So you need to make sure that this is a whole unit amount. Now click on next. And then as you will now notice, you will then be able to select payment method. Now once you select payment method, you will have the option between a debit card or your current balance on your Vanguard account if you have enough balance to purchase a single unit of the S&P 500. Now once we click on this, you will then be able to go down and click on submit, and then once you click on submit, that order will then be placed, and then that investment will then be added to your portfolio. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.